A selection of celebrate quotes. Anyone doesn't love his country doesn't love his own thing. Anyone has learned to live well must also learn to die well. The nation is like a child, but joking at the child won't last long. Freedom isn't something that descends to people. Rather, people must ascend to achieve freedom. A nation that raises the flag of freedom will never destroy. Wherever there's a freedom, there's a nation. I am not a liberator. There isn't freedom giving. It is people themselves who set themselves free.